Living with a chronic cough isn't just a physical challenge, it's a mental one too. The constant coughing can lead to anxiety, depression, and even social isolation. But here's the controversy. Why isn't mental health a bigger part of our treatment plans? It's time we talk about holistic care, one that includes mental health support, because managing a chronic cough isn't just about silencing the cough, it's about healing the whole person. Have you experienced the mental impact of chronic cough?